Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Yakolia Karmating from Group 5. Today I will presenting our group to present the material on defining and non-defining relative clauses. The title, Defining and Non-Defining Relative Clauses. Definition: a defining relative clauses is a clauses that provides essential information to identify a noun. Without the clauses, the meaning of the sentence becomes incomplete or unclear because we don't know actually which person of things is being referred to. Characteristic: it does as commands, the information is essential, it actually uses the relative pronouns who, whom, was, which, and that. Example: the student who sits near me is very smart. Explanation: the clause who sits near me identifies which student is being referred to. Without the clauses, we would not know which student is meant. Number 2, non-defining relative clauses. Definition and non-defining relative clauses provides additional information about a noun. This information is not essential because the identifier of the person or thing is already clear. Characteristic: it is separated by commands. The information is additional, not essential. Is that not as that? It actually is who, whom, was, and which. Example: Mr. Budi, who is my teacher, lives in Kupang. Explanation: the identifier of Mr. Budi is already clear. The clause who is my teacher simply adds extra information. Main differences: defining relative clauses, non-defining relative clauses. Provide essential information, provide additional information. Do not ask commands, can as that, canon as that, identify the noun, add extra information about the noun. Comparison examples, defining relative clauses. The man who wears a big hat, my uncle. This means that the man wearing the big hat is the one being referred to. Non-defining relative clauses. My uncle who wears a big hat is coming today. That means that the identifier of my uncle is already known, and wearing a big hat is simply additional information. Conclusion: defining relative clauses provide essential information to identify the noun and the not as commands. Non-defining relative clauses provide additional information as commands and not as the relative pronoun that. Thank you.